At first light, the chicken houses wake with the land. Mist rises, turbines turn, and a quiet industry stretches toward the horizon.
In these controlled environments, thousands of chickens thrive. Carefully balanced light, fresh air, clean water, and a constant supply of nourishing feed keep them healthy and active.
Easy, girl. Gotcha. Wings in. There you go. Crate coming up. Got it. Slide it to the back. Stack's holding steady. Another one on the way.
Easy, girl. Wings in. There you go.
Got another crate open here.
Head forward. Perfect. That's here. All right, next one.
At first light, the wheels start turning. From quiet fields and barns still wrapped in mist, the harvest begins its journey, mile after mile.
Felicity. Evening trucks roll into the plant, their trailers chilled and packed with roasted birds. Inside, automation takes over. Pallets glide to conveyors, labels snap into place.
Guided by sensors, the arm finds the top crate, seals with suction, and pulls it free. The system pivots, scans the barcode in transit, and places the load onto the waiting conveyor.
Work. The crates roll into a sealed chamber. Inside, a precise blend of gases begins to flow. Oxygen lowers, carbon dioxide rises, slowly.
Suspended by their feet, the broilers ride the stainless highway. Blue shackles and guiding fins keep every bird aligned as the line glides forward. Ahead, a narrow slot settles each neck in place.
Work. The crates roll into a sealed chamber. Inside, a precise blend of gases begins to flow. Oxygen lowers, carbon dioxide rises, slowly.
Here in the hygienic tunnel, precision is everything. Each bird is scanned, positioned, and incised by a sterile robotic scalpel. The cut is no more than 3 millimeters long, calibrated to open the...
A brief dunk in hot water loosens the tiny roots that anchor each feather. The heat swells the skin, softens the quills, and in moments they're ready to slip free. Steam curls, feathers peel away like wet paper, and the bird emerges.
One by one, the hens step onto the moving slats, headed for a whirl of rubber fingers and steam. Inside, the drum spins with astonishing precision, loosening every feather in seconds. Slick and pale, they slide.
After the main pluckers have finished, the carcasses pass through these secondary units. Flexible rubber fingers and sheets of warm water sweep across the skin, teasing out the last fine...
Never thought I'd call a chicken shiny, but look at that one.
Like a little pink bowling ball with legs.
They're cleaner than my kitchen counter.
And somehow prouder about it.
Green. The robotic arm selects the first unwashed gear, lifts, and places it on the conveyor. Sensors signal the transfer, and the rollers bring the part to life.
High-pressure jets sweep every surface, lifting away anything that doesn't belong and leaving only clean, smooth skin behind. A careful dance of water and light, repeated for each bird until the last...
As each bird travels along the line, a choreography of nozzles and spinning arms rinses every surface. The first cascade washes away loosened particles. Then, the carcass...
As each bird glides along the line, a stainless steel lance enters the cavity. Jets bloom out like the petals of a flower, rinsing every surface with chilled, purified water.
In the final wash, clean water jets sweep over each bird, rinse after rinse, lifting away every trace of debris. Feathers, loose skin, and the smallest particles are carried off in shimmering streams, leaving...
As the line moves forward, the freshly washed birds enter a tunnel of powerful, chilled air. The blowers strip away surface moisture in seconds, firming the skin and preparing each...
Fresh from the wash, the birds still carry a shimmer of water. Here, rows of high-velocity fans unleash a controlled storm. Air knives across the skin, stripping away excess moisture in seconds, leaving...
The line pulls them forward, one by one. In this next section, the machine opens the cavity, preparing each bird for inspection and cleaning. Every movement is timed to the chain, precise and unrelenting.
Guided by lasers and sensors, the robotic blades sweep in, making the vent cut in one decisive motion. Each bird is steadied, sliced, and rinsed in a rhythm of stainless precision.
Inside this gleaming module, a vacuum system takes over. A curved nozzle slips into the cavity, and with a controlled draw, the bird's organs are captured in a stream of chilled water.
One by one, the edible organs are pulled from each bird and guided down their own path. Livers, hearts, and gizzards, handled quickly but gently, are kept separate. Collected, drained, and weighed, these...
In the second internal wash, each bird is open to a precision spray. Twin jets sweep the cavity, loosening and flushing away what the first wash left behind. Sensors track pressure, flow, and claws.
High-volume jets of chilled water sweep through the open cavity, scouring every ridge and recess with controlled turbulence. The rinse spins against the rib bones.
Scan looks good. Just a couple spots. Clean as a whistle. Next bird coming through.
After processing, the birds are guided onto the line toward immersion chilling. Here, they glide into tanks of ice-cold circulating water. The rapid drop.
Right after roasting, chickens are still warm, perfect for bacteria. But in this facility, they take a frosty detour. In under 90 seconds, rapid cooling drops the core.
From the ice-cold bath, the birds emerge, skin taut, temperature down, every surface beaded with frost and water. They travel on, perfectly chilled, ready for the next step.
Plump birds ride the belt toward the glowing mouth of the seasoning tunnel. As the paddles turn, a warm mist of brine and spices wraps around them, coating every curve. Paprika turns.
Precision needles dive deep, delivering a seasoned marinade exactly where flavor matters most. Every bite gets juicier, every fiber infused. Deep flavor, precisely
humble. Inside the rotating drum, the birds are cradled and coaxed over one another. Each slow turn presses paprika, herbs, and salt deeper into the skin, letting the marinade seep in.
Every grain of salt, every fleck of herb, every spark of spice work deep into the meat. As it sears, the flavors travel, mingling with the juices, basting from the inside out. The result? Chicken that's seasoned.
Lift the skin and slide in softened butter laced with herbs. It melts against the meat, flavoring from the inside. A ribbon of olive oil adds its own richness, then a shower of salt and pepper.
Perfect. Look at that walk, like they own the place.
As long as they keep it orderly, I'm happy.
First one ready for the oven. Golden in no time.
Watch how precision engineering meets kitchen tradition. As each bird arrives, the trussing head lowers, gently brings the drumsticks together, and with a quick whirl of cotton twine, ties a perfect knot.
Each bird slides onto the steel like a bead on a string, seasoned and ready for the fire. As the rack turns, fat drips to the coals, flames flare, and the skin deepens to bronze. When it's finally time,
Trussed and aligned, the chickens roll forward. Inside, banks of radiant heaters sear the skin, and a river of heat turns pale flesh to gold. Fat sizzles, smoke curls, and by the
was suspended on a moving rail. Each bird enters the tunnel's first zone, where radiant panels sear the skin to a glossy gold. Next, a blanket of aromatic steam infuses flavor.
First zone, high heat. It hits the skin right away, searing, tightening, and turning it a deep golden brown. Fat bubbles, salt crackles, and every edge crisps. All that heat locks the juices inside.
This side of the grill is the second zone, the moderate heat. No roaring flames, just steady warmth. It cradles the chickens after their quick sear, letting that rendered fat baste the skin while the inside comes up to temperature.
Built-in probes constantly monitor the heart of each roast. When the chicken hits its ideal 165 degrees, the oven switches to a gentle hold. No guesswork, no overcooking. Pull the probe, carve.
In the final zone, the heat softens to a gentle embrace, letting the chickens rest while the skin turns glassy and crisp. A last brush of glaze, a quick check of temperature, 165 right on the dot.
That smells incredible.
With a quiet whir and a steady rhythm, the system plucks the roast chickens from the rack. Heat-resistant claws cradle the crisp golden birds, lifting them as steam curls into the lights.
Fresh out of the roaster, the chickens are still giving off waves of heat. As they glide into the tunnel, jets of frigid air whip across their skins at hurricane speed. Steam twists into vapor, droplets turn to ice, and within seconds a glistening.
Fresh from the oven, the chickens are still piping hot. In seconds, they're on the move, sliding into a chamber of swirling, icy air. Cold vapor wraps around each.
Color reading's at 74. That's right in the sweet spot.
Texture looks springy, no tearing, moisture's holding.
Let's check the next one.
Surface crisp, juice is clear. I'm logging it.
Good. Consistent batch.
Each roast chicken rolls across the line, its weight flashing on the scale. The system reads the numbers, then directs the bird down a stainless steel chute to the bin meant for its size. Big, medium, or small,
Each roast arrives steaming and fragrant. A sheet of clear film is swept over, tucked, and sent through the glowing tunnel. Heat shrinks the wrap to a snug, glossy finish, locking in moisture and flavor.
Each roast chicken gets a clear label, weight, pack date, use by, and full nutrition, all in one glance. The information matters from our prep table to your dinner table. Scan it, bag it, head home. Simple.
Roast chickens, sealed and steaming, move down the line. Every tray is weighed, scanned, and dropped into export cartons bound for dozens of countries. From here, pallets roll straight to trucks and